Welcome back, fam. Coach Nate here. If you spend hours sitting at a desk, scrolling on your phone, or wake up feeling tight in your chest and shoulders, I designed this routine just for you. But what if the way you're standing or sitting right now is actually making your posture worse? Stick around because I'll show you a simple fix. In just 5 minutes, you're going to open your chest for better breathing and posture, release tension in your shoulders and upper back, and loosen up your entire body for better mobility. No equipment is needed, just you, your breath, and a little focus. Most people skip stretching first thing in the morning, but not you. You're here, and that already puts you ahead. But what's the biggest mistake people make when they're trying to fix their posture? Yup, you're gonna find out in just a minute. Let's hit the mat. Let's start by reversing the effects of slouching and tight shoulders. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Interlace your fingers behind your back and straighten your arms. Lift your chest, roll your shoulders back and gaze slightly upward. Hold this for 1 minute, breathing deeply. This stretch counteracts the forward hunching most people develop from sitting and using screens. It also improves breathing capacity and posture. But if you're feeling pinching in your shoulders, that could be a sign you've lost mobility. Don't worry, we'll fix that next. We're already unlocking the chest, and now we're moving into a stretch that targets your shoulders even deeper. Now that the chest is open, let's activate the shoulders and spine with a deep stretch. A powerful shoulder opening stretch that releases upper back tension. Start in a tabletop position, hands under shoulders and knees under hips. Walk your hands forward and lower your chest toward the ground. Keep your hips stacked above your knees. Hold for 1 minute, relaxing into the stretch. This stretch targets the shoulders, upper back, and spine, essential for anyone feeling stiff or tight. But what happens if you can't bring your chest all the way down? I'll show you a trick to make this easy in a second. If your shoulders feel stuck here, that's actually a warning sign of poor mobility. Something we're going to unlock as we continue. With your shoulders opening up, we're about to get into a side stretch that most people overlook, but it's a game changer for posture. Now, let's deepen the stretch by focusing on side mobility. This will lengthen your sides, open up the shoulders, and improve flexibility. Start in a kneeling position, a right leg extended out to the side. Put your right hand on your thigh and reach overhead, leaning toward your left side. Start gently swinging your arm for 30 seconds, then switch sides. This stretch releases tension in the obliques, spine, and shoulders, making movement feel more fluid and natural. But why does one side usually feel tighter than the other? I'll explain in just a second. If you feel unstable, don't panic. That means you're unlocking deep restrictions. Now that we've stretched side to side, let's add dynamic movement to really open your body. Now it's time to wake up the entire body with a full range movement. This dynamic stretch improves mobility in the hips, spine, and lower back. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart, hands on your hips. Start moving your hips in a circular motion, like a hula hoop. Switch directions after 30 seconds. Most people don't realize how tight their lower back and hips are until they start moving like this. This stretch increases circulation and mobility. But if your hips feel locked up, stick around. I'll tell you exactly why. If you feel one side is harder than the other, that's revealing an imbalance in your posture. But what's the biggest mistake people make after stretching? Want even better posture and flexibility? I've linked a free resource in the description and pinned it to the comments. You're gonna want this. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session, and let's go.